Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make reflection in Canva. So basically you're gonna have to upload your image. Now I'm gonna use a free image from Canva. So let's pick a car image. So I'm gonna pick this one here. Then I'm gonna resize it, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to apps and search for easy reflection, and then you're gonna have to click on this one from here and click on open. Now we're gonna have to select the element, and basically, so this is a graphic, so let's add a new one. So let's choose photos. So let's see if this one works. Now we have the watermark, but so let's choose this one here. Now let's go back to easy reflection and click on create reflection. Now here you can change the settings and then click on add to design, and basically you're gonna have to simply place it under your object like this, and basically that's all you have to do. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.